This is Sarmad Sandeelo from Sales Unicorn. Hope everybody is having a great week so far. I created this workflow that I'm using to prospect real estate agents. And what it does is it finds thousands of local businesses on the go, filters and enriches the leads with decision makers' names, phone numbers, and emails. And then you can use that data to transform into usable snippets that you want to use in personalization parts of your email. So it's pretty detailed guide with templates included right here. All the templates are included. So let's just dive into this. So first and foremost, we have this table set up with Apify actor that fetches the results um, from the Google. So what you need to do is simply add a city, create another row, um, add the city, add the country geolocation, and then hit the run the Apify actor, and then it will find you the results. So these are the results that it has found. And if we check one of those results, we will see that it has found 230 businesses, and each business has the title, rating, address, phone number, uh, category, website, the basic details that we needed. And then what we are doing is we send this data into filter businesses data through um, write to table column enrichment. And in this table, we are basically filtering out the businesses that we want to prospect. So you can customize these filters. I have set these two basic filters for the rating, count, and the category of the business. And then I'm writing all this data again to another table, which I call is decision maker finder. What this table does is it enriches the decision maker of the business. So instead of using inbuilt databases in Clay, um, I'm using OpenAI ChatGPT 4.0 Mini that returns me pretty good data. And what I'm doing here is inputting the data that I found from the local business details from the Apify actor, and then feeding it into this AI agent that gets that input and then gives me the output: first name, last name, email address, Zillow profile, because I'm prospecting real estate agents. But you need, if you do not get the website from the local business scraper, simply put the website here and tweak the prompt accordingly, and then you can get the website as well. And then finally, you get the output in JSON. As you can see, I'm getting these outputs, and the confidence is pretty strong. As you can see, all of these, most of these are green: first name, last name, email address, sorry, phone number, Zillow profile. And then further, what I'm doing is for the businesses that I was not able to find the email for, um, I actually validated the emails that I've found, and then once I know which ones are the valid ones, um, for the other emails that are invalid, I use the work email SMB enrichment, which is the waterfall enrichment within Clay that you can use to find out the emails. And you could also use lead magic enrichment. That works pretty well. And then now I have the final emails. I can pull out specific details about the lead that I need to use for the personalization. So you can see this is the data that I have pulled from their Zillow profile, and it's a lot of data that I can basically transform into um, snippets that I will be able to use in the email prospecting. So you can utilize these tables to prospect local businesses. Let me know if you guys face any issue. This is a complete guide, um, and then I'm going to share it with you in the inbox. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.